Top 5 Digital Tire Inflator.
Top 5.
Easy to use. Connect this portable air compressor for car tires to a 12-volt adapter, snap-on tire valve, read and set pressure with digital readout, start pumping, auto turns off when full. Kind reminder, will not support LT, height, and truck tires. It is for 12-volt DC only. Long strong cable. This portable tire inflator pump with a total length of about 3.3 m, 11 feet, easily reaching all front and rear tires from a single 12 volts charging point. Multi-functions, monitoring tire pressure, with 3 additional nozzles so you can quickly pump up bicycle tires, Schrader valve, basketballs, soccer balls, and more.
Top 4.
Smart pressure technology. Simply preset the built-in digital gauge to your target pressure, PSI, and it will automatically shut off when reached. Inflate standard auto tires up to 45 psi and bike tires up to 100 psi. Equipped with a 10-foot long-reach power cord for easy access to each tire, includes a premium quality power adapter that plugs directly into any 12-volt DC accessory outlet in your car, truck, or SUV. Built-in bright LED light features 4 settings: off, flashlight, flashing red, and emergency SOS. Click add to cart or buy now with confidence. You're backed by our lifetime no questions asked guarantee.
Top 3.
Opter Tire Inflator provides a 140 psi powerful pressure, the airflow up to 35 liters per minute, which means that it can inflate the 195/55/R15 car tire from 0 to 35 pounds per square inch within 5 minutes, more powerful and faster than conventional vehicle tire pumps. Opter Tire Pump provides pressure ranges from 3 to 140 psi. It can inflate bikes, motorcycles, and mid-size SUV easily, and also has perfect performance on basketball, balloons, etc. Note, it's not suitable for large truck tires, motorboats, or floating craft. Opter guaranteed 100% satisfaction and an extended 12-month warranty.
Top 2.
Fast inflation and advanced accuracy. High-quality materials were sourced for this tire inflator as it can pump up your car's tires with 35 liters per minute. It can inflate the 195/55/R15 car tire from 0 to 35 pounds per square inch under 5 minutes. Professionally calibrated to always return a reading within 1.5% of the pressure of your tire. Please note that after 10 to 15 minutes of continuous use, let the air compressor rest and cool for an equal amount of time at a minimum before continuing use. Buy with confidence. Easily stow the compressor away in your car or garage and it will be ready to use at a moment's notice. We provide a 3-year warranty on this product.
Top 1.
Easy to operate, simple as plugging into your car outlet, attach a hose to the tire, set the PSI desired, and flip the switch. Multiple uses, included attachments for sports balls, air mattresses, balloons and other inflatables. Built with your safety in mind, built-in LED flashlight helps you be ready for nighttime emergencies. Premium construction, made from extremely durable, lightweight plastic. The sturdy hose resists high pressures while allowing for maximum airflow. 1-year warranty. Have peace of mind knowing all Bodum products are covered for a full year. Check the description below on where to buy it.